How to change your Bitmoji selfie on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Bitmoji selfie on your Snapchat app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Snapchat app, and then once you're on your Snapchat app, you have to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner here. And then here tap on your Bitmoji. And then here scroll down and you will see the change selfie option. Tap on it, and from here select the selfie you want, your Bitmoji selfie, and then after selecting you just simply have to tap on done and wait for it to load, and then your selfie will be changed. And so this is how you can easily change your Bitmoji selfie on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.